Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel again. In this video I'll be sharing with you the major Durov for the 10th of October 2024. Now let us get into it. Like I always say, the most important thing about this puzzle is putting the headshot on the tiles in the correct order. So let's get into it. First one for today would be this. The second one would be this. Third one would be this. Please, if you find this video any valuable or this video valuable to you, please subscribe to this channel. Again, please subscribe to this channel, leave me a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The last one for today, being 10th of September, is this. And now let's check it out and see. So we have the 5,000 daily major points. Thank you very much for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Thank you.